Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Dr. Bilal Piracha. I am ER physician and a proud volunteer physician at ICNA Relief Dallas Free Clinic, which is one of our 8 clinics nationwide, along with multiple wonderful projects. This is a public awareness video about updates on corona. Let's discuss some good news. Number one, recently published article as the editorial of New England Journal of Medicine, the National Director of National Institute of Allergy and Infection, Dr. Anthony Fauci, along with his colleagues, tells, after doing study on 1,099 patients, that most likely the mortality of corona is much lesser than claimed. It is lesser than 1%, not 3 or more, as has been told by organizations and even by WHO. Number two, according to Journal of National Science Review, there have been 2 types of the corona, L and S. So corona L, remember, as lethal, S as smiling. So L was the initial one, it killed many people, but now it is S, which has been spreading around, being milder, so people have been carrying it for longer times, but that is not as dangerous as was L. Number 3 point, it has been sparing kids. According to the studies done so far, it has been only 0.9% cases below the age of 9 and only 1.2% cases in teenagers. Next point, it is that this disease has been overall 81% of the times it has been mild. Most of the times it may be even gone unnoticed, just like flu-like symptoms, and only 13% times it has been severe, and only 4% times it has been critical. Final point, news versus virus, corona versus flu. It has not been as easily spreading as flu, because flu is airborne, this is droplet borne. Flu cases have been 1 billion all over the country, all over the world basically, and it has been killing 200,000 people on the average every year. What to do and what not to do. No mask, no mask, no mask for general public. It has been counterproductive according to CDC and multiple other organizations. What to do is like continue washing your hands, keeping your hands clean, using sanitizer, warm water, soap, and washing hands, cleaning hands before eating, after restroom, right hand for eating, left hand for cleaning. Avoid overcrowded places. Next, how to fight back. Fighting back is by strengthening our immune system. Be proactive on achieving good habits. Quit smoking if you have been, good sleeping, good eating, good drinking. And I would urge, as the religious-based organization, faith-based organization, to look into prophetic ways of living, particularly prophetic way of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that according to his way, how to keep ourselves all clean. Wudu, it is a wonderful way of cleaning and washing all our body 5 times a day for the prayer. And as well as fasting, that tells that it strengthens our immune system. Next, according to Journal of Psychology of Common Perspectives, the recent study published says that mindful meditation helps build our immune system even further. Even any faith you can belong to, but look into ways, and then as Muslims there are multiple ways to keep ourselves connected. Final point, I will invite everyone to read the novel Alchemist, which tells about soul of the world, which tells about the concept of maktub, what it means that we do our best, but rest, leave everything up to God. Don't be panicked, stay blessed, stay focused. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.